For many years, Steve has been Buck's Gazillion's right-hand goon. He's reliable, worthy, and respected only by Buck's Gazillion. He only gets things right thanks to Buck's Gazillion. And for an honest fact, I wish we would have him wrestle in the arena. Yeah. I know. Tonight we're drawing his mask. We're drawing what Steve looks like in the arena.
If this friend really is your mother, it's obvious she's trying to reach out.
There we are. That's how you draw Steve.